Good morning vlog. I am late to class. Hey guys, so I'm back. Alright, so I finished class and it was okay. We did flexibility, we did agility, we did coordination. I'm going to the access office because I have to meet with a tutor about classes I'm taking this semester. One of the classmates told me about Specs Howard, which I'm gonna look into. It's basically a year-round class for video production.
This is like my fifth try trying to do an intro for you guys, but that doesn't matter. Yesterday was a terrible day, you know. Terrible day. Your vlogger Guadalupe, she made my day bad. She said, hey, let's go to the gym. I'm like, the day before, and I'm like, okay, I'm in. And then yesterday she went to the gym without telling me. She went with the freaking Alicia. And I was like, wow, like you prefer to go somewhere with someone else but not me. I got so mad, so she came home with pot belly and she's like, oh, here, please forgive me. I'm like, no, I'm not forgiving you. I'm not talking to you for 24 hours, so deal with it. But I obviously had to break that deal of not talking to her for 24 hours.
Is today Monday?
Tuesday. But today we're supposed to get our coffee maker that we ordered, but we never did.
It's coming at 8.
Huh?
It's coming at 8.
That's tomorrow.
Tonight.
It's not coming tonight.
8 p.m.
Yeah, I know. That's what it said with my case. And it came the night yesterday.
It's coming tonight.
You think the UPS is gonna take shipping at 8 p.m.?
Yep. I have Prime.
Prime was supposed to be coming here like a month ago. What happened to the joggers I ordered?
I don't know.
But yeah, my dog is eating. He only eats when someone's in my parents' bed. He's 8 or 7, I don't know. He's pretty old. We gotta set it up. We gotta set it up. That's so cool. You can make teas with this.
So we gotta soak this thing?
For best water filter, it's 2 months. We have to clean it every 2 months.
We have to soak this thing in water.
Or 6 tanks fillers. Nada. Este lo tenemos que filtrar todo cada 2 meses.
¿O cada 2 meses?
¡Oh, llegó el café! Yeah, viene con unsweetened tea.
Okay, we gotta soak this in water for 5 minutes.
Podemos ir a Myers a comprarlo por $12.
Está bien.
Did you finish reading the instructions before you start doing anything?
No. Okay, guys. So, we have our coffees. We have the Green Mountain, the breakfast blend, the Dark Magic, hot cocoa, hazelnut coffee, regular and decaf. We have a chai tea latte, and we have French vanilla. We also have like the mini drawer that goes underneath the coffee machine. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. This dog, I swear. Hola, pa.
Hola, hija.
Tenemos sorpresa.
Ay, que me tienen una sorpresa mis hijas. Dije, mira, a ver qué es. Ay, hola, que hasta me están grabando. ¡Esto!
No.
¡Para la ensalada! ¡Oh, my God!
Abre la cajuela.
Ya con cafecitos. Ay, digo un pastel. Muchas gracias. Y tú, mira, ya tenemos una cafetera. Mira. Ay, qué bonito. Llegó una cafetera bien bonita. Le voy a tomar la foto y se la voy a mandar.
¿Te gustó?
Me encantó. ¡Delicioso! ¡Delicioso!
Shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.